This time we have some cool stuff provided to us by BZFuture. Let your imagination run free. Express yourself and improve your interior with LifeSmart Cololight PLUS panels. These guys know what they do since LifeSmart Quantum Light won the Innovation Product Award at CES 2019. So first, place the hexagonal panels together into any desired shape, then either fix them on a stand or mount them on the wall and connect the main module with any power source. After that, install a free Cololight app on your smartphone, and here comes the magic part. Feel free to choose one of the pre-installed patterns or create your own ones. It's up to you. The panels react to music of all genres in real time and transform audio into color and light for a stunning real-time audio-visual display. But it's not about the music only. The device is extremely easy to operate. Press a touch-sensitive controller and watch how the lighting changes. There are 3 color modes to choose from: selected, dynamic, and customized. Several color effects like breathing light and swirling add additional points to that special atmosphere. Well, you can actually do all that with your voice using either Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. It's also possible to set clean white light to focus on a project or gentle warm white to read your favorite book before bedtime. Yep, as you may have guessed, the brightness is also adjustable. Whatever the reason you get this thing, it'll create the perfect ambiance in any space and for any occasion.